little. But think about a sponge, how it has all those little holes in it, teensy tiny holes. So we'd say that is less dense. It doesn't have as much mass. All right, and how do we convert from kilograms to grams? First, are we going big to small or small to big? Kilograms to grams, big to small. So what do? We multiply. How many steps is it? 3. So we multiply by what? Multiply by 1,000. And what are our 2 tricks for multiplying by 1,000? If it's a whole number, what's our zeros trick? Add 3 zeros. And if it's not a whole number, what do you do with your decimal? Move decimal left or right? Right, because we want it to be bigger. 3 places. All right. So we can't do number 5. We're going to do just a couple of problems, and then you're going to wrap up with your practice. And of course, your homework is optional. And I will post keys to all these tomorrow. All right, so let's write our measurements out. We have our chart here to help us. We're going big to small is multiply, small to big is divide. All right, so grams to kilograms, small to big. I'd rather convert with multiplication, so I'm going to pick this one. 1 kg equals how many grams? And we said all of these, if we look at our metric, times 1,000 divide by 1,000, or times 1,000 divide by 1,000. So we're going to do times 1,000. 1,500 and 1,000. 1,500 is bigger. I'm going to jump down and do kilograms, kilograms to grams, big and small. So we're going to pick the big ones so we can multiply. 5 kg equals how many g's? I'm going to multiply by what number? 1,000. We have 5,000. And the alligator would eat the 6,000. You can do the division one. Let's try number 8 with our division. So if we wanted to convert grams to kilograms, we would just divide 5,000. All right, so you have your, check your progress. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to start our learning tomorrow, or our next video, discussing these bottom 3 problems. Now, I can't really post answers for these, but I will post a key on your classroom that has the number of greater than, less than, and equals to. And I will post that on your Canvas today. All right, that's it for today. So you have your practice problems to do and finish up your ERQ. Oh, and don't forget your exit ticket. Now I'm going to ask that you guys, now that we have our platforms down a little bit more, that you either type this in a Google document and share it with me, or you can take a picture and share it with me on Dojo. But as you finish these, I need you to be sharing your exit tickets so that we can check your progress as you go. How many milligrams are in a kilogram, and how would you determine it? Be be careful, you're going from milla to killa.